right, checking Parasitic Draw. We have something going on here. Look at the scope. We're 200 millivolts per division, which means every one of these little lines are 2 amps. Even though the amp clamp is upside down, we're about 1 amp problem. We're going to do Parasitic Draw. We got 0 voltage drop. I'm going to come over and you're going to see there's our amp clamp, and come around the other way. We're right on the fuse. So now I'm going to open the door up. And when I open the door up, you'll see there's no lights on in the car. Now the lights are illuminated. And now, when we go back, let's look at our amperage. Our amperage is all the way down here. And look at our voltage drop. Our voltage drop is now a minus 6 point something. You can't have a voltage drop without having something on in the car. Bill, if you can just go shut that door and then you can come back and hold us. So we're still on the fuse. Bill's going to shut the door. Now, in case you're wondering, well, it didn't drop down yet. That's called a timeout function. And what we're looking at is, if you look in the vehicle, the lights are actually still on. So we'll tell you when the lights go off, which should be in probably about 30 seconds or less. So watch what happens to the voltage drop that we have. Watch what happens to this line. It's going to start going up. And there's something on there. Do you see how that made like a square wave? And it moved from there up, and it's moving up. Now look at the voltage drop. Look at the current drawer. And inside the car, there are absolutely no lights on. So that's how to do a Parasitic Draw. This vehicle does have a problem. The maximum is 50 milliamps. We are at, if I change this to 200 and make that 100, this will give us the amperage reading. We're a little over an amp, one line, a little over an amp in Parasitic Draw. So we're going to be finding that.